We're in the sander, ready to go. Gonna go sand just 2 quick commercial properties. It is 6:07 in the morning, and yeah, I've just got to get that kind of stuff taken care of today, I guess. So yeah, just drove past one of my clients here on Main Street in Wasilla. They own a row of buildings over here, and I had to text her and say like, hey, your building, it's really icy over there. Should probably get it sanded. Because it is a sheet of ice over there. I was looking at it, I'm like, oh gosh, that is disgusting. I honestly might sand for her and then just charge her for it, because it's to the point where I don't want to be held liable if somebody slips and falls on her property, you know, if that makes sense.